How to fix the person you're trying to reach isn't available in Teams. There are several possible reasons why you're getting this message, and some steps you can try to fix it. One reason could be that the person you're trying to reach has set their call forwarding or do not disturb mode on, which means they won't receive any calls or notifications from Teams. You can check their status icon next to their name to see if they are available, busy, away, or offline. You can also try sending them a chat message or an email to see if they respond. Another reason could be that the person you're trying to reach is not using Teams as their primary communication tool, and they have not started Skype for Business on their computer. This can happen if their account is not set to Teams only mode, which allows communication via the Teams app only. To fix this, you or your administrator can change their coexistence mode to Teams only in the Teams Admin Center. Alternatively, you can ask them to start Skype for Business and see if the calls work then. A third reason could be that your or their Teams app is outdated or corrupted, which can cause errors and issues with the calls. To fix this, you can try logging out and logging back into the Teams app, or updating it to the latest version. You can also try resetting or repairing the Teams app by following the steps in this web search result. If none of these steps work, you can try using the Teams website instead of the app for the time being, as some users have reported that it works better for them. You can also contact your administrator or Microsoft support for further assistance.